welcome back. I hope each and every one of you are having an awesome Ramadan right now. Today is the 28th Ramadan. I'm heading out to Texas for a family get together for Eid. So I hope all things are going good with you guys. So I'm back with another pack with me as I'm heading out to Texas to visit my family for Eid. I hope you guys did Ramadan went well and you guys are ready for Chandrat and putting the mehndi and everything. I still don't have anything on as it's still Thursday night. So yeah, it's like 30 minutes or so we're gonna be heading out. And looks like right now it's gonna rain. I see really dark clouds coming in. So I just want to show you, I can see the airport from right there. Right there is the airport. Right there, around that area, and you can see this cutie always sitting here with her partner or his partner and just having fun. They have cute little babies flying all over the place. But yeah, that was just a weird extra information. But yeah, look how gorgeous it looks. So today was like a very busy day for me. I have been getting ready since last night, I would say actually, as to like just doing final little knickknacks and here and there. I had to record the videos, so I had to do like the shots like multiple times, so that took a bit. And then I was working as well from home today, so quite the multitask, and I had to do last minute laundry for a couple of clothes. And anywho, all that got done. I'm ready, I'm on time. But yeah, I will be sharing with the pack with me today. Just waiting for my mom and sister to get ready and head out the door. I'm always the one who takes a bit to get ready, and I've been getting ready since the morning. I had to oil my hair, take a shower, and do all the other little stuff going on here and there. But yeah, I made it on time. I hope it's not gonna start raining yet. I hope our flight is on time. I hope you guys stay along with me and enjoy this video. Let's go. I'm ready, just heading to the elevator right now to take these suitcases. I'm just waiting for them to be out, so I'm just dragging these 3 suitcases with me right now. We are here at the airport. I had to delete a couple of videos from my camera.
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm so glad we are here early. Our flight actually got delayed, so that's a plus. Never late.